everyone, today we're going to do a really quick unboxing video with the Fanvil X3U IP phone. Let's start by having a look at the label on the box. Here we have our model number, which is the X3U. We have our serial number and our MAC address information. So let's have a look inside. So inside the box we find our handset, our Fanvil X3U phone, looking good there, our quick installation guide, which is going to tell us how to get this phone programmed and ready to go, our curly cord, a LAN cable, and our stand for our phone. So let's get this phone together and see what it looks like. So first of all, we're going to take the phone, we're going to lay it upside down on the table. We're going to get our stand, we'll take that out of its packet. And we're going to click that into place and then slide it over, like so. Perfect. And then we're going to get our curly cord, which we need to take it out of its packet as well. Cool. And that's going to plug into the back of the phone where there's a symbol that looks like a handset. So plug that in and we're off we go. Stand up your phone. And we're going to plug in our handset, like so. Cool, perfect. There. And that's it, our Fanvil X3U, all ready to go. Thank you.